Hi, Bill Jones from Turntastic Wood Designs. I'm working on this cabinet for my sister-in-law. It's going to hold an aquarium, and she's going to put her turtle Jack in that aquarium. So this is going to be a jack stand. I'm not doing a video of this, but I will have pictures on my Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, I'll have pictures of that. But I wanted to talk a little today about supporting local artisans. A friend of mine who lives up the road a piece makes maple syrup from trees he has on his own place. His name's Alan Stinger, and he runs Stinger's Sugar Shack. And he was having an open house, so he invited me and a couple other local artisans to come on up to his place. So we took a drive up there and showed our wares at his local open house. Hoosier Creek Farm was there. They are beekeepers and of course sell honey and other bee-related products. Kevin and Tina Amrine were there from Reclaimed Creations and Woodworking. They make lots of really cool stuff, all from reclaimed and recycled wood. And of course I had my booth set up. And of course the main attraction was the maple syrup and the cool demonstrations of it being made. Well, we all had a really good time at that event, and I want to thank Alan especially for hosting the event, but mostly I want to thank the people who came out and provided support to all of the artisans there. We did sell, everybody did sell a little bit, but none of us came anywhere remotely near turning a profit. When you do the kind of work that we do, you do it because you love it. And you put your heart and soul and your finances into it. And recovering at least part of that finance is tough. And that's why I think it's really important that you all come out and support these kind of things. So if you see a advertisement in a local paper or something on Facebook that says, hey, I'm having this kind of craft show or an open house or whatever, go to those things, support those local artisans. It's really important. It's the only way that a lot of us can keep doing what we're doing to make it possible. So I hope that you feel the same way and that you can provide that kind of support. If you liked this video and found it informative, please like and share with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the area below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching.